So it's time for my best of the best, the top skincare that I've used in 2017. I'm excited. This is my first best of the year video and I have a lot of skincare products to talk to you guys about. And I feel like I'm all ready for getting some amazing products. So let's see how I do here. I will follow this video up with my top 5 favorite La Mer products as well. Some of these products I've talked to you guys about earlier this year, so I'll link those videos below and I won't go into a lot of detail about them. But some of these products I honestly don't think I've even talked to you guys about yet. So I'll kind of give you guys a little like blurb about all of them. So first, Happy New Year. And let's get started. Alright, I'm going to try to put this in some sort of skincare order. So let's start with cleansers. So cleansers, I have a few that are amazing. 2 of these cleansers I got in summer-ish time, and they have not left the side of my sink because I've been using them so often. One is the Mahalo Care Unveil Cleanser. I did an entire video on this one. Still loving it. And I think I'm like not even halfway through it. So it seriously lasts a very long time. So the other cleanser that I've already talked to you guys about is Glossier, their Milky Jelly Cleanser. If you want that one face wash that you can take with you on road trips or anywhere and you don't feel like you need to do a second cleanse with, this is my go-to. It leaves nothing behind and you don't feel like you have residue on your skin that you need to wash again. So I'm a huge fan of this one just on its own. One that's been newer to me, I think in the last quarter of 2017, but seriously have been using it constantly. Erno Laszlo, they have a double cleanse. Actually, they have sensitive and hydrating and detoxifying, but it's an oil bar double cleanse. So you start off with the oil. I have the sensitive cleansing oil. Do a couple pumps, rub it all over your face. It magically erases all of your makeup just like the Mahalo Unveil. And then you get the cleansing bar and you rub that all over as well. So these are just fantastic cleansers. I have not put them down since using them. I kind of did a combo. I have the sensitive cleansing oil and the detoxifying cleansing bar. You also know I love my micellar water. I love the La Mer micellar water, just love it. But another one that I have been using while my La Mer is being ordered, I've been using the Mega Mushroom Skin Relief from Origins. It is soothing, it is lovely, it has turmeric in it for brightening, it has mushroom in it for calming and soothing, but it doesn't have like a scent. Like, I'm not a mushroom fan, believe it or not, when I'm eating mushrooms, so anything that gets sent to me and they're like, oh, it has mushrooms in it, like I'm like, oh, it's lovely. It leaves your skin squeaky clean. I use this also to check cleansers. So like, let's say someone sent me this one. I would clean my face with it and to see if it left anything behind, I would take a cotton swab covered in this and wipe it all over my face to see if there's any residue. This is a great cleanser. You guys know I use micellar water in the morning. So this has been my go-to. I accumulated a lot of moisturizers in 2017. So the way I kind of whittled through them is I said, okay, which ones am I on a second jar of? Which ones have I repurchased? Because I thought they were just that great that I had to have them again after I used them up. So there's 2 actually that I have used completely and I needed new ones of. One of course is La Mer, Creme de La Mer. I love this ultra thick, ultra fabulous moisturizing cream, especially now when it's really dry. I have a cold, like so many different dehydrating things going on around me. This, I wake up and my skin is just gorgeous. I like using this also on no makeup days, and I'll just put a primer over it to kind of dull down some of that like intense gleam. My favorite night cream. Another moisturizer that I have repurchased on my own dollar is La Roche-Posay Double Repair Moisturizer. La Roche-Posay was kind enough to send me one of these this summer. I loved it so much I used the entire bottle. I love it because it's extremely hydrating, plus it has SPF in it. It was just that go-to in summertime when you're running around and you just want to like throw something on your face. This is it. I also just got back from a beach vacation and this came with me as well because it was one of those I could just throw it on and run out the door. Love this stuff. So for moisturizers, toners, I've sampled a couple different toners this year, and the one that I've actually stuck with is by Resurge Beauty. They have an active elixir tonic. I love this tonic, and I almost didn't use it because when you first use it, it's got so many actives in it that it actually tingles on your face. And I was like, oh wait, is it supposed to do this? Yes, totally normal. It's an AHA toner, so it has glycolic acid, it has vitamin C, it has vitamin A, it has hyaluronic acid. Like, it's got so many of those good for you things that as soon as I get done washing my face, this is the first thing I put on my skin. Just sprayed liberally all over. And speaking of spraying, this spray, the best. Like, there's so many products I've tried and misters that I've tried where like you want the product inside, but the sprayer just stinks. This sprayer, even after this is gone, which I only have a little bit left, I will repurpose this bottle because of the sprayer. Top-notch toner. Another toner I just want to throw out there, and I've only been using, I think, since Thanksgiving, but I have to say it. You guys have probably heard about this one. It's the Tarte Knockout. This has been compared to a lot of other toners out there on the market that are extremely popular, like P50. It is an exfoliating balancing. It helps minimize pores. It has niacinamide, salicylic acid, lactic acid. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. It's a 10% acid complex. So I tell you this because you remember with the Resurge Beauty I said it stings. This is going to sting too. And they didn't cover up a lot of the smells with fragrance, so it doesn't smell fabulous either. But the glow will keep you coming back. Like, seriously. These two will make you glow. This one smells really good, but this one, it does not smell good. I think it's horseradish extract that's in it, so it's gonna get you on the nose, but it fades. Like, it's not gonna be a lingering smell. Even though those toners do sting when you use them, by no means do they flush your face, but your face does get used to it after the first couple of uses, and then all you notice is glow. So essence, like, I would love to say, oh, I have all these essences. But really, let's get real. So I have one essence that has just been the bee's knees all year long. And seriously, does the bottle last forever? That is one of the main questions I get. Everyone like private messages me and says, hey, how long do these Mer products last? Forever. Like, I think I had this in the beginning of 2017. And I still have some left now that we are starting 2018. It's such a small molecular complex that it soaks in really deep. I'm not going to go on and on about this because, you know, there's an entire video dedicated to my love of this product, but this is my essence of 2017. This will probably make it into my top 5 on Mer video. This one I have to mention because it's just really funny. You guys have been amazing in helping me try to find a vitamin C, because I think my first morning skincare routine video, which I owe you another one, I was like meh about the vitamin C I was using. I found a love, like La Roche-Posay Active C10. This is a love, people, like love this vitamin C. It is vitamin C, but it also has hyaluronic acid in it as well to help with the delivery of the vitamin C into your skin so that it doesn't irritate your skin, it penetrates quickly, and you don't have that long waiting game after you use the vitamin C. This is fantastic. I really did try to narrow it down. I didn't want to be like, oh, here's 50,000 products I'm using and here's 6 oils I'm using. Alright, so my favorite hydrating serum of 2017 is by JKosmmune. This is a beta glucan. It is more hydrating than hyaluronic acid. Absolutely beautiful. It is colorless, odorless, it absorbs super fast, and your skin is so hydrated after using it. I was using squalane for the longest time in 2017, and then this got sent to me and I have just been obsessed with it. Like, I don't think you can tell because it's just such a tiny little window in there, but I am down to there, and believe me, this will be a repurchase. I love it even if I'm making an emulsion. If I find another product I like I will add a couple drops of this to it, because all you really need is 1 or 2 drops and you're good to go. Can't make a video without mentioning this beautiful product. This is the Concentrate by La Mer. If I ever have red irritated skin, if I get done after a dermatologist visit and they kind of did a facial on me, anything out of the ordinary with my skin that needs repairing, soothing, calming, anything, this is what I grab. First and foremost, this is it. I will link a video below because I do not need to go on for another hour about this product, but just know that this is one of my tops of 2017. Favorite face oil of 2017 would be Threerific. They have a premium face oil. I've talked about it in a prior video. Can you tell I like it? Like, I'm not just like showing you guys full bottles of things. I'm like, oh yeah, I like it. It's pretty good. Like, I am literally using all of these products up because I am just completely in love with them. So this is one of those like glowy, awesome oils, but it sinks in so fast. It nourishes your skin. I can use this day or night. Just great, great oil. My favorite retinol is actually from Retriderm. I love this retinol because of their beautiful delivery system. I have gone up in my retinol potency. This is a 0.75 retinol. It is a game changer for me. It's made me want to use retinol more often and be consistent with it. And that is the key to good skincare, is consistency. So this definitely gets the award for my favorite retinol because it has actually got me to be consistent with retinol. I've talked to you guys about this one as well, so I will link the video below. For eyes, I have two products that have kind of stolen the show for me in 2017. One is, it's Zeo Skin Health Illuminate. It is their Intense Eye Repair Cream. It is a nice, thick, beautiful cream that you only need a little bit. It keeps your under eye area hydrated all day. I don't feel like I need to do touch-ups throughout the day, which is key for me. The other one is La Mer Eye Lifting Serum. I just love it. These two are a great combo together, also great on their own. But at nighttime, I'm definitely putting them together. During the day, sometimes after a long night, putting them together. My eye area has been firmer and brighter since working these two into my skincare. Alright, my favorite primer. This year I've been using 3 primers, which I've talked to you guys about all of them. I've been using the Mer Perfecting Treatment, Sisley Black Rose Mask as a primer, and I'll talk about that one in a minute because it's sitting right there. And you guys have heard me talk about this one as well. It's Elysian. Before I film, I use this primer. It just makes my foundation lay so nicely. It's a workhorse. It's got great ingredients in it. Perfecting Treatment I like because it gives you that ethereal glow when you use it. Also great on like no makeup days, as is this one. Which kind of takes me over to the masks because I was talking about the Black Rose Cream Mask from Sisley. I already did a video on this one. Actually, you guys are the ones that got me using this one, so thank you. Not only is it a great quick 10-minute hydrating mask, but you can also leave it on as an overnight mask. You can use this also as a primer. Every once in a while, especially after traveling, you get a little jet lag going on, or you have a cold, or you're just extra dry, you know those days. That is when I reach for this as my primer. So great primer, great hydrating mask, great all-around mask, fantastic product, and I don't think I will ever be without it, and I have not found anything as good. So 2017, definitely this one. So let's talk a little bit more about masks. I have a lot of masks. You guys have seen the video. So I grabbed a little assortment of my favorite masks that are like my go-to. If you were to come stay at my house and you're like, hey, grab me a mask, this is probably one of the ones that I would grab for you. Of course, I have the La Mer Brilliance Brightening Mask. Used consistently, works wonders. Your skin looks beautiful and glowing, and it holds true for days afterwards. That's the other thing I like about these masks. So La Mer Brilliant Brightening Mask, definitely. This is from Just Herbs. It's called Sanface. They call it a glow mask. It really makes your skin glow to the point where you stop and look in the mirror like, is that really my skin? So glow, glow, glow. I have gifted it out so many times because it's just amazing. And everyone has said how much they love it. One of my favorite clay masks is by Origins. It is their Original Skin Rose Clay Mask. It is soothing and wonderful, just top notch as far as clay masks go, especially for my sensitive skin. So the Kiehl's Turmeric and Cranberry Seed Energizing Radiance Mask. I think this year, this is definitely my second jar of the year. It is just one of those like, you kind of don't know what you want to use, but you want something to just wow you. Great mask because it will exfoliate, it will brighten, it will just make your skin super soft. I actually love using this in the morning still. AveSeena. They definitely get top awards. I think I'm almost out of this one already. Yeah, I'm like, ugh, I'm getting down low. But this will definitely be a repurchase. It's one of those luxurious masks that if you are soaking in the tub and you just want something to just like melt all your worries away, the enzymes will exfoliate your skin. You will have bright skin, hydrated skin. It's a multi-purpose mask. Like all of these masks don't just do one thing. And also sometimes before I put on a face mask, I like to do a little polish on my skin. And this one by Volition, hands down, has been my favorite face scrub. Like there's no line to see how far down it is, but just by having to squeeze it out, like I feel like I'm right there with it. It is for face, it's for body. You scrub it in, you leave it sit for 2 minutes wherever you scrubbed it in, and then you rinse it off. And not only is your skin baby butt soft, but it also brightens your skin with the turmeric. My favorite time to use this is actually after the gym, like my post-workout skincare when I wash my face. Another product that I have been loving when I'm using masks, especially if I'm using a clay mask, is La Roche-Posay. They have this thermal spring water, but this one, like, check this out. Like, that mist is lovely. It's just such a fine mist that it doesn't irritate your makeup or anything on your face. It just gives some vitamins and hydration to your skin, which is really what your skin needs throughout the day. And if you're wearing a clay mask, it's starting to dry on your face. Another one that I have been loving, also by Just Herbs, it is their handmade bathing bar. This one has got coconut in it, and I have got to say that this has become my favorite shaving soap. Like, I have like lots of little shaving creams, and I've used even conditioner to shave my legs because it's so nice and hydrating. But this one, I've been obsessed with it. Like, I think I have like a little nugget left, and I know I have to buy more. It's not expensive. It's made with amazing natural ingredients, and it is the bee's knees when it comes to shaving. Do yourself a favor, order one of these, and I swear to you, you will feel how super soft your skin is after shaving. And when you get out of the bath or shower, it's not like your skin is like shriveling up and you're like, oh, I need moisturizer. It has those hydrating properties in it as well. So love this. Also, just because I don't think I've shared this with you guys yet, I just went through a 30-day before and after of AnteAGE. They have a serum and accelerator, little 1-2 combo punch. The before and afters speak for themselves. It does have retinol in it, it has hydrating properties in it, it has niacinamide in it. I'm going to have to do a separate video on these two, but I do want to say that I was very impressed after my 30-day trial of these guys. And more before and afters are on my Instagram if you guys want to see those. Also, Biopelle gave me an intensive serum. It's Intensive Serum 50 that you just use for 10 days at night. And in the 10 days, your fine lines and wrinkles will be reduced. And that truly works as well. Like, loved it. I used it right before the holidays, and I was beyond impressed. So that is kind of what I've ended in 2017. If I cleared all my other products off of my sink and just used these, I would be a happy camper. So that is why I have given these my like kudos for 2017. So I feel very blessed that some of these were gifted to me in 2017 where I was able to test them, and actually now they have just become part of like my core skincare products. And I want to say thank you to you guys and Happy New Year, and I'll make sure to keep working hard for you in 2018. Thank you so much again, and you guys have an amazing start to your year. Thank you so much.